Hi, welcome to Peace Public School Kottakkal. We are from Category 3 Project Shoot.
Hi parents, you know that we have introduced the Cyber Square curriculum almost 5 years ago, and now this is the 5th year I believe. And you know, the change what we had during these years is a huge change, that all of our students are capable of making their own IT product is at the school level is not a silly thing. You know, every year by year, the number of students participation is increasing in the digital fest. That means they are making their own IT product, whether it is a commercial website or AI based technology or a robotics technology. At least they are able to make a game software. So this is in a school level, at a secondary level, this is something very great.
Hi, I'm Hiban Amanullah from 7th B.
Hi, I am Izan Shakib from 6th B.
Today we are working on anti-collision robot.
This is an Arduino. We input a code to it and it transforms the code into and it will give the forward and the instructions to the motor drive shield, and it will go forward or backward. And this is an ultrasonic sensor. It can detect any object in front of it and move to another area. This is a gear motor. It can go front and backward.
And our students are really enjoying it, and they are positively engaging with this technology, and that help them to grow in every aspect of their development, whether it is academics or co-academics.
Hi, myself Mohammed Diyan.
Myself Maher Zain Muhammad.
And myself, Muhammad Faiz.
We are from 6th standard and we are from Peace Public School Kottakkal.
Today we are showing about water level indicator.
The components of this are water level indicator, water sensor, breadboard, resistor, LED bulb, Arduino and some jumper wires.
The first level is low. When the water level sensor goes to the medium level or the low level, the yellow light will blink. When it goes to a medium level, the red will blink. When it overflows, the buzzer will ring.
The project suite which they introduced, that's also an extended program from the normal students. Those who are more interested in the project making, they are given some 15 projects as part of the project suite. That's also an additional advantage for the children, and they are getting additional exposure into the world of technology. Our children are getting this exposure at the school level will help them to map their professional career, and that will positively impact in their